Hello friends, this is my custom tool for changing the cartridge inside the rear suspension of Dualtron scooters. This is the parts for making tool. This is my own tool and everything is done by myself. This is adapter. This adapter goes here. I will weld this part here. Other parts here. I will put spherical bearings there, and this part goes inside this. Okay, like this. I will make this. This part going there, there. And this is the rod for pulling out. Screw this side, pulling this side. We'll make welding of these two pieces, this one, and to check how it's working. After that I will make painting, but before that I will make sandblasting and powder coating this tool. Wish me a luck. Now I will make the full weld of this part. This is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks before assembling. I try to explain you. This is the rear cartridge with factory black inserts. This is the adapter M12 I will screw this here, and this part goes to this, like this, you see. Okay, on the other side we have spherical bearing, and inside this bearing is this custom piece which go inside. It's a perfect fit. This go on this side, and in the center I go and screw this into this. And this is hard to make with one hand, or I succeed. Okay, this now screw in this part. Okay, see, now I will push this inside. Here is bearing custom tool, and this is the nut which I will screw on this rod. I will make a cut here. This is too long. I will make a cut here, and after screw this on this rod, after screwing inside, this rod will pull this from inside the cartridge and release all these bushings. Okay, I must now cut, and I will continue to recording. Here is the final step: factory suspension with this screw and this rod. On this side is the bearing with inserts, and this nut. I will make now this in this. Screw this, and now we will test the tool. This is okay, bearing is okay, this is perfectly straight, and this is flushed inside of tool. Now I will turn this. It should need to. Okay, I am turning this. Okay. Okay, a stronger vise. Okay, it's pulling it out. Oh. I will put this on camera stand, and now we are turning this. Oh, there she goes. Watch here. And that's it. That okay, perfect. Factory black inserts with this ultra light aluminium part. Okay. Okay. I must unscrew this. Job done. We are pulling it out. The same way we will try to insert the new cartridge, much softer. I mean, I will put the blue one, but that is that. Tool is great. It's perfectly for this job. Okay, you see, this is where it sits.